loving, caring. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
Healthy vegetable khichdi. First we need to soak pulses in water. Rice. Pigeon peas. Green split moong dal. This pulses looks nice to see and also delicious to eat. Let's add water to soak. Soak for 1 hour to reduce the boiling time. Let's clean veggies. Let's cut veggies. Ghee. Spices. Cashew nuts. These spices helps to regulate the enzymes, digestive enzymes, which helps to improve the gut health. Ginger and garlic. Onions. Carrots. Green chilies. Beans. Soaked soya chunks. Tomato. Bottle gourd. Salt. Turmeric powder. Red chilli powder. Coriander powder. Cumin powder. Mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Wow, you can see pulses are very well soaked. We have soaked above 1 hour. Let's remove excess water. Soaked pulses. కాడికి నీళ్ళు స్టప్ నీళ్ళు పోసేద్దాం. Mix well. Now we will add enough water. Soaked green peas. Let's add fresh curry leaves. Cook for half an hour. Recipe almost completed. Finally garnish with coriander leaves. Wow, nice aroma coming. I can't wait to taste it. Ah, it's very hot. What a recipe. Super. This recipe is very healthy recipe. Why? Because we are added pulses which has a lot of proteins, and we added soya chunks. It has a lot of proteins, and we added a lot of vegetables. Uh, the vegetables has a lot of nutrients values and a lot of fiber, and we are also added a lot of spices in it, and which regulates the enzymes and helps to improve the gut health, and overall recipe is a very good healthy recipe. This recipe is perfect fit for who are starting fitness, who are into fitness, and this is also very good for children. It helps to in growth. Vegetable khichdi, super. ఇంటికి తీసుకెళ్ళిపోండి.